Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Patreon account on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I want to make sure that you understand you can do this both on your Apple or Android devices. And all you need to do is firstly simply go ahead and open App Store on your iOS or Play Store on your Android device and search for Patreon just like I did. Once you've done that, click on this application right over here, download and install it onto your device and simply go ahead and tap on open. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is go ahead and enter your email up top right over here from a account that you don't have any accounts with. So let me just go ahead and do that. And click on continue. Finally, once you've done that, simply go ahead and enter your name and click on continue. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click on allow, and there you go. Your account is going to be signed up before you even know it. So if you thought this video was helpful to you, if this video was helpful to you, then make sure that you go ahead and hit that like button, and I'll see you on